scissors, pencil, scale, color paper and designing papers. First take a piece of square paper, then fold it in half of the both sides. Also the cross ends of the paper. Next, take this line of the center, fold it into half. Both the sides. Same as the other side. Now fold on 4 sides like this. Then fold this in half, keep here, then do like this. Same as other 4 sides. Then fold these flaps into half like a triangle. Then decorate these triangles on the center of this part with a card. I am using this decorative paper to decorate this. I am using 4 triangles and 1 square paper. Here I have used the triangles with the measure of this triangle. Then the square sheet inside of this square. Now I am gonna stick it.
Now I'm sticking.
While sticking, make sure that this square keeps at the center. For our next video or welcome in comment section below. Those who point out the most amount of mistakes in this video, their name will be shown in the next video. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe here.